guys, so today I thought I would do this really fun video. So I'm always on Instagram being inspired, you know, liking people pictures and just amazed at all the beautiful decor and all that stuff. So I thought I'll go and try to recreate a few looks and see how I can interpret their looks or whatever. This first one that I'm gonna show you, I thought it was gonna be super easy, just put the balls down and you know, no. When I tell you frustrated, a little anxiety came about. I was just so annoyed, but I was so far into it that I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna try. Hats off to, her name is Priscilla. Hats off to her because I was so frustrated and was so annoyed about to tear it all apart. Started out super fun and all that, but what I'm talking about is, okay, I'll make sure I'll link everybody's Instagram name or whatever down in the description box so you can go and share. But I'll very quickly share with you the picture that I'm speaking about. Okay, so I absolutely fell in love when she released this out to Instagram, right? She has that little ball swag I've never saw before and just super cute aesthetic, okay? So I'm like, I have similar things and we have the very same table. You see that's my table right there, right? All right, so I'm like, okay, no problem. Just by chance, I came upon those big thing of ornaments for only $10 at the Goodwill. So I'm like, everything is falling into place. So let me go ahead and share with you my interpretation of this garland ornament that I am about to pull all of my hair out trying to do it. And I still didn't have enough balls, but this is all there's gonna be, enough ornaments or whatever. So let me share. All right, you guys, so here goes my interpretation of her Instagram post, right? Like I said, we have the exact same table. She got hers from a different spot, but it's the exact same table and all of that. So we have great chairs. I'm like, oh, this is gonna be so easy. Whew, when I tell you, creating this ornament started out really, really easy. And when I had it in the middle of the table creating it, but when I ran it down to swag it, the balls was falling all over the place. And I didn't use a regular garland, I used a beaded garland. So that also made it a difficult. Okay, I have this garland that I had from Pier 1 last year, this little beaded thing. I'm gonna lay it here, I don't know if it's gonna work, and hot glue all of these red ornaments on top. Let's see if it works, I'm not sure, but these are all the red ornaments that I have right here. And I'm just gonna take it like this and place it down and just try to glue ornaments all the way down this garland. Okay, this is how it's looking right now. And I'm about to go in here with these little Dollar Tree balls and fill it in so you can't see through the balls. So that's what I'm doing at this point. My interpretation of her, and then I just had to go and get one little small pack from Walmart just to finish it off, but most of these were in the pack, and you can still see some of my beaded garland through here. So if I would have known that, I probably would have spray painted it red, and I even had to stick these little berries so you wouldn't see through there. This is it. This is my interpretation of her beaded garland. So I started setting my table. So let me go ahead and finish off putting everything else, and then I'll come back and share the end result. Alright, you guys, so on Priscilla's table, she actually has red napkins. Those are red napkins there. I don't have those, and I didn't use the same napkin ring as her as well. And you can see hers is like red and burgundy mixed together, and mine is just all red. Alright, so hers is just an inspiration. So let me show you what I did. I still kept my place setting similar to hers. I brought out the same like type of stemware. She used these napkin rings that came from Z Gallery, but hers are the gold ones. I don't have the gold, I only have the silver. So I opted out to use my silver snowflakes, and it matched really nicely with these chargers here. And so yeah, her deers are all gold. And as you see, I have a sparkly champagne one and a white one. So like I said, it's just inspiration. So what I would do, I only have 4 of these, but I could definitely add in the red stemware in here, just to bring a little more red to my table. Okay, and these let me get them. These came from Walmart, and I went back looking for more, and I still haven't located any more, so I only have 4 for right now. Okay, so it just looks really, really cute. Oh, I thought this was a fun video, besides me trying to create this garland right here. Super cute tablescape. Oh, let me share. These are new placemats from 2 places actually. These came from Pier 1, just like that. Okay, chargers right here came from Home Goods. I only have 4 as well. I cannot locate any more. And then I had to find some more gold chargers, and this one came from Home Goods. Okay, so I had to change the chargers as well are different from those, but it all ties in together. It all looks nice. Alrighty, so I thought I would, you know, try to recreate somebody else's like Instagram pictures, and this is what I had around here. Yeah, I think it turned out really cute. All right, let's move on to the second one. And then I will add my cute little arrangement back here on the table. And then this is like me. Here are the same bowls as my inspiration. And here goes mine. It turned out. Oh, it was such a wow factor, but so simple. All right, I definitely will link her Instagram down below. Very inspirational. I just absolutely love her account as well. Yes, so here we go. All right, we're gonna do one more and then we'll be done with this inspiration from Instagram. All right, you guys, this last little inspiration from Instagram, I felt in love with this little picture. It's the simplest thing ever, but it's absolutely beautiful. Here is the inspiration. How cute are those? Yes. All right, so it was these little ornaments that were created, and these are, I made mine with Dollar Tree ornaments and some little picks and stuff. So let me show you what I did. So here is the little Dollar Tree ornament. This is the larger size, all right? And then if you have these are perfect, but if not, you can also get this little pick from the Dollar Tree and just pull those little berries off and then use the little white stems for something else. And then the Dollar Tree sells fake snow, but I had this from Big Lots. This little fake snow that I have came out of Big Lots. Yeah, how cute are these little ornaments? The inspiration had 3. I do not have any more larger size balls, but I will go back to the Dollar Tree and hopefully I can find one more. Only size I have is the little smaller size. I guess I'd go ahead and do a small one, but yeah, the large ones are so pretty. And how cute and simple was that? All right, so let me do one more. Okay, so here's the little baby one, the little third one. Yes, I think I want to change the color of my ribbon. So if when I go back and get a larger ornament, we'll see if I can find a different color ribbon, maybe the color of the berries. That'll be super cute. But nonetheless, so simple, really inexpensive, and it's so cute on the coffee table. I hope you guys enjoyed this little inspiration that I just was so inspired from Instagram. You know, we see so many pictures every day, and I was just blown away with